East and Park. This is the park, Kingwood Park. Ryan here. Thấy có vé hết rồi. No. Next boat. This is Kingwood. The park in Kingwood.
Where are we?
East End Park.
Eastern Park?
We are right here.
Oh.
We are right here. East End Park. East End Park. So let's go. Let's go. Here. East End Park. Over here, a lot of blackberry. A lot of blackberry trees. See, the tree is small. Sao nó mọc nhiều ấy? Ê,
Go away!
ê, tại sao mọc nhiều à? Low battery hả? Ryan. Let's see. Go. It's okay. It's okay. Let's go. Let's go this way. Let's go this way. Nè, ready. Ready.
For you?
Go this way. A lot of blackberry in grass.
Got your specs.
Let's see. Ooh.
Look at this one.
Huh?
This one's tiny.
Tiny. A lot of.
Nice squish them.
Yeah.
I actually got to squish them. They look like blood. Look at home. They have a bag or
Yeah.
something. So many.
Bốn nằm các bạn đây.
Bring them back. No.
This park very big. Come back, okay, Ryan. Go over there. Come back. Don't go far. Don't go further. Running rồi. Go home dad. Running rồi. Kingwood.
You want to exercise?
There's a lot of tree. A lot of big tree over here. High tree over here.
Are we in TV?
Hả?
Am I in TV? Am I in the video? Kingwood. We're walking. We're going over there. Yeah. Ryan.
The lake over here. Ryan, wait for me.
Ryan's on the scooter.
Hello, everybody. Today I visit Kingwood City, Texas. This is Kingwood. Now we go to the Lake Kingwood. Lake Kingwood. House, beautiful house. Beautiful.
Proceed to the route.
Beautiful. This is like, oh my God, swimming pool over here. Coffee. Relax. Swimming pool, coffee shop, and some people exercise here. Some people yeah. A lot of tree, fresh air. A lot of fresh air over here. So Kingwood, very nice. Play golf over there. Some people play golf over here. Golf course. Đó là golf over there. This is a most this is the most beautiful over here in Kingwood. Yeah. What happened? What happened? Hero, do you like heroes?
Yeah.
What are you doing there, Ryan?
No trespassing.
Oh, no trespassing. Okay.
What does that mean?
No trespassing. beautiful place for living. The best place. This is the best place to live in Kingwood. See the house over here. Look beautiful. Oh, here beautiful. Design are beautiful for retire. For retire. High tree. A lot of high trees. Clean, fresh air.